very impressive.
Breathing through the mouth causes dry mouth, which increases the risk of mouth and throat infections and reduces the sense of taste. Breathing through the mouth also pulls all pollution and germs directly into the lungs. Dry, cold air in the lungs makes the secretions thick, slows the cleaning cilia, and slows down the passage of oxygen into the bloodstream. Ignoring nasal allergies increases the chance that you will develop asthma. It also makes asthma worse if you already have it. If the nose is blocked for some reason, your brain will still ask for an equal amount of oxygen, and you will start breathing through the mouth. When the mouth is open, the lower jaw is likely to fall backward, and your tongue and soft tissues sink down, narrowing the air passage. Due to the narrowed airway, the soft tissues will start to vibrate, and if incoming air is insufficient, you will breathe harder, thus causing a turbulent airflow resulting in loud snoring vibration. Helps you breathe the right way, through the nose, the way ENT doctors prefer.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.